Welcome to Magitudes. In this tutorial you will learn how to remove animations in Canva. First of all, let me create a design here. I will just use custom dimensions, maybe 1280 by 720 pixels. Click on create this new design. Then I will head over here to photos. I will add a random photo. I will click T on my keyboard to add some text to our project. Just going to change the text here into animation. Just make that a little bit bigger, double click it, click Ctrl and B to bold it, reposition it, and now I'm just simply going to add a stomp animation. Now when I press on play you will see this lovely animation. Now in case you don't want this animation to show anymore, maybe you would just like to revert it back to regular text, here's how you do it. To remove an animation in Canva, simply click on the desired text element and then from the top bar select the symbol with those three circles here. In my case here now it says stomp because before I have chosen the stomp animation. It is important to note here that whatever animation you have chosen before will be displayed here. So for example, if you have chosen the shift animation, the name here would obviously say shift and not stomp. Whereas when no animation at all has been chosen so far, this button here will just read animate. Now to remove that animation I will just simply click here and then all that is left for you to do is to click here on none. This will completely remove animation and we are left with our regular text. Now when I select our text here again, you will indeed see that the button now reads animate because we don't have an active animation for this text. If you indeed enjoyed this video, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day guys, bye!